Hello there! Today we'll be painting this denim jacket with this cool celestial design using acrylic paint and fabric medium. This medium converts standard acrylic paint into fabric paint. We'll also need a tear-off paper palette, some titanium white and gold satin series acrylic paint, some flat paintbrushes, a hobby knife, a palette knife, and of course some of this awesome fabric paint medium. Once we work out what we want to paint, we can lay the jacket onto the table. We are using a denim jacket, but this fabric medium will work on almost all fabrics. It's a good idea to interleave the garment so that the paint doesn't bleed through into the underlying fabric. In this case, we are using a canvas panel. We'll also be needing our reference sheet, and you can find this on our web page. It's been printed out to A3 size. We then use the back of the tear-off paper palette as a cutting mat and cut out the globe at the top and the crescent moon. Once these have been cut out, we can put them aside and mix up some fabric paint. Although our design is in gold, the colour is more vibrant if we lay down an initial coat of white so that it seals the fabric to an extent and the gold can sit on top. Squeeze out some fabric paint medium and the same amount of titanium white and thoroughly mix them with a palette knife. Place the stencils into position and paint in the edge of each stencil. Stay inspired and don't miss a video from us. Subscribe and leave a comment below with what you'd like us to create next. Remove the stencil and paint in the inside of both shapes. For the thin lines emitting from the globe, we use a flat brush held on its side. Small dots can be created by dipping the end of the handle into the gold paint and transferring the dot onto the fabric. Have you created one of our projects? Make sure you send us a photo. We love seeing your creations. Allow this titanium white to dry. Next we can apply the gold over the top of the titanium white. So mix up some gold paint with our fabric medium in equal proportions, give it a mix and lay it on. Well, thanks for watching. We hope we've inspired you to grab some fabric medium and create a masterpiece. If you like this project, then we've got lots more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog and sign up with Creative Connection to get lesson, inspo tips and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent.